کہ پاکستان کے لوگ اتاتارر پہ لانتیں کیوں بھیج
That
رہے
is what it is. That's the problem with you. You
No.
can't even know what absurdity is. If the British
No,
values
that's a
you're
valid-
holding,
no, that's a valid question.
nobody,
Why does he think
no
it is?
journalist ever asked that
bhej rahe ho,
question.
Why don't you answer the question?
Lanat is not the. Lanat
answer
is
the
not.
question.
What question?
Why do people hate Atatarar?
That's a good one.
Yeah.
People
What's the-
do not
answer
hate
it.
Atatarar.
They do.
He's here at the Great Mall in
Yeah,
the
by
in
invitation.
Grosvenor House.
By invitation.
What
right?
invitation?
By invitation from his own party.
What?
Listen, not from any
No,
voters.
no, you've proven
not
the
from
point.
any voters.
You are
Listen,
PTI.
if I had-
I accuse you of PTI. You are PTI.
I'm not.
Okay, what's the question then? What exactly is
The question is, why do people not like Atatarar?
Say it
Why is he
again.
so
Say
hated?
it again. Use that
Oh my
lanat
God.
word again.
Okay.
Use that
No,
lanat
acha,
word again.
I'll do it again.
And expose yourself.
Yes, आज का
Expose
सवाल ये है
yourself.
कि
Expose
लोग
yourself.
Atatarar पे
You better
लानतें
expose
क्यों
yourself.
भेजते हैं? क्यों इससे इतनी नफरत
You are
करते हैं?
absurd.
That's the
Let me
question.
tell you.
That's a valid question.
No. Use that word.
You can
Are
shout. Shouting
You're
doesn't make you
scared.
right,
You're
sir.
scared.
You can shout, but it won't make you right.
You are scared.
I'm not scared. You're the one shouting.
You're scared.
Scared of what?
You're scared of
What should I be? What should I be afraid of?
Using profanity.
Are you threatening me?
No, I'm not.
So then why should I be afraid?
You should.
If you're not threatening me, why should I be
You are
afraid?
scared. I'm not saying you should be afraid.
Sir, that was a valid
You're scared.
question. He didn't answer it.
It's profanity.
And no, it's not
Profanity.
How is
does
that
not,
profanity?
The moment you use.
I said, what does lanat mean in English? Curse.
No, I don't know.
It means curse.
Yeah, curse.
So it's a
you
valid
do-
question.
is it
Why
okay
do the
to
people
curse?
of Pakistan curse
Is it
you?
okay to curse?
No. I'm
Is
asking
it okay
you,
to
why
curse?
do Pakistani people curse you?
Does British values make you curse
Curse
people?
is not profanity. Please look up the
Then-
English dictionary. It will
Then-
tell you
then
that
British
the word
values
curse
tell
is
you
not an
to
obscene
use
word.
The word
I can tell that English is
no,
not your first
you're not
language,
British.
sir.
That's the
So
reason
that's why go
you're
look
so
up the
ashamed of
dictionary,
yourself.
and then you'll
That's why
know
we are
that the word
taking you to
curse
Can you
is
do it?
not is not.
Can you say to your dad?
What?
Can you say to your dad?
Say to my dad what?
That आप पे लानत पड़ रही है बाहर. What do you say to your dad?